There are two reasons why people typically don't wear orthotics. One of them is they're uncomfortable. They can be uncomfortable because of the footgear, or they can be uncomfortable because they just don't do the job. My job is to make it comfortable. The second reason is that shoe that I make you wear because of the orthotic is not a style that a person would want to wear, and it doesn't look good, doesn't feel good. So we have in our office different types of footgear, and one of the things that we can use is a slip-on, and the slip-on is a firm heel counter. This is stiff back here. When we bend it, it bends at the toe, not in here in the shank, and I've got a removable insert so that I can put a device into it. We also have heeled shoes, wedges. They also have an insert that comes out so that we can put a thinner type of insert into this. That's a different type of orthotic. We also have sandals. The sandal has a removable insert. We can take the insert out, we can put an orthotic in there, or we can alter this. We can take it out and we can make some adjustments to it so that it will work better for a foot problem. We have runners, but obviously what we're going to put in shoes like this are not appropriate for your runner, but the same functions of the shoe are as I described for the slip-on. Firm heel counter, stiff back in here, which means it's connected to the inside of the shoe. When I bend it, it bends at the forefoot, not in the shank, so you're not getting a twisting, and there's a sizable insert that will come out. And I can put an orthotic into there as well. So we can solve a lot of these problems and control a lot of foot issues.